Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you again. Your energy always makes my day. Today we're going to have some fun English speaking practice, so get ready to listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. And remember, English is fun and you can do it. You're doing an amazing job just by being here and practicing with me. So, grab your notebook, bring your beautiful smile, and let's get started.
My skincare routine. When I wake up and see the sun, I get so happy. The first thing I do is splash cool water on my face. It feels so good and wakes me right up. Then, I grab a glass of water to drink. It's so nice to drink water right after waking up. It just makes me feel fresh from the inside out. Next, it's time for my shower. I love using my organic, natural, and chemical-free shampoo to keep my hair healthy. After my shower, when my skin is still a little damp, I always put on my moisturizer. It helps lock in all that moisture and makes my skin feel super soft all over. I use a gentle face wash, often a natural one that makes nice, soft bubbles. It cleans my skin and makes me feel ready for the day. Then I put on a light lotion that makes my face feel so soft and happy. Whenever I go out, I use a gentle sunscreen. It's like my happy armor that protects my skin from the sun all day long. I've learned that great skin comes from the inside out. That means I make sure to eat lots of fresh fruits and other vitamin-rich foods every day, which are full of good things for my skin. I try to stay away from junk food because I've noticed it doesn't make my skin happy. And the biggest secret? I drink lots of water all day long, keeping my skin and my body hydrated. I also love to do yoga and exercise. Moving my body helps me stay fit, and it's amazing for my skin too, making it look fresh and healthy. Another thing I've found is that stress can really show up on my face. So, I make sure not to take things too seriously. If I feel myself getting stressed, I'll take a few deep breaths, listen to my favorite song, or just step outside for a minute. Keeping a happy, calm mind is just as important as anything else for a good glow. At night, it's time to thank my skin for the day. I wash my face 2 times to make sure all my makeup and dirt are gone. A few nights a week, I use a special serum that helps my skin look new and healthy. It's a nice way to end the day and get my skin ready to rest while I sleep. My whole routine is all about being happy and taking good care of myself.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English tips. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Till then, keep learning and keep smiling.